Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not evil. It does not boast. It does not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres, and in verse 8 it says that love never fails. Youths and tiny rose, the Bible describes to us the true characters of love. This is not about a romantic love, but certainly a kind of love that we celebrate this afternoon. I would like to greet everyone, may hapon sa tanan. Good afternoon. Do you want to take your seat or do you want to stand with me until the end of the ceremony? Okay, it's up to you. It's your call. Including Hugo and Kylie, you can take your seat. First of all, before I will congratulate our contracting parties this afternoon for that wisest and most important decision in their lives to get married, let me first acknowledge the presence of everyone, friends, loved ones, or the parties. I would like to say thank you on behalf of Tiny and youths for coming over, for sparing your time just to be here, for closing your stores, probably. Nanirado pinahan o madina, nalibat sa trabaho, araw na yung kamos kasal ni Tiny Ortiz. So, on behalf of them, I would like to thank you so much for truly witnessing your marriage ceremony today. And of course, shout out to the parents of the parties. We have Sir O, as well as Mary Choret, the parents of youths, and the parents of Tiny Rose, Sir Ruben and Ma'am Rosemary. Thank you for raising your son and daughter in a very handsome and beautiful way, respectively. To the principal sponsors who come all the way from Caraga region, Colonel Albania, and his beautiful, lovely wife, we acknowledge your presence this afternoon. We have Sir Ryan Jan Aligre and Ma'am Evangeline Aligre. I believe that they are spouses. Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir, for coming. Sir Leland Kenneth Claro and Ma'am Judy Claro. We have Police Lieutenant Colonel Lizard Vivas. Thank you, Colonel, for coming over also. We have Sir Ronald Cabo and Ma'am Arlene Cabo at ang pagpakan. Thank you so much for coming over. We have, and Mrs. by the way, Police Lieutenant Colonel Dexter and Bibiak Vivas. Sorry, ma'am. Thank you also, ma'am, for coming. We have Police Colonel Glenn Christine as our incumbent provincial director. I do not see him, but we thank also for accepting the invitation of Hugo and Tiny to be one of their sponsors. We have Sir Jesus Caniedo. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. And Ma'am Radilia Caniedo, I believe the wife. And we have Sir Jeremy Esteva, also